I'm Larry King. With me today is Dr. Rav Laitman. He has a PhD in philosophy and Kabbalah, professor of ontology and doctor in medical bioethics. He's been published more than 40 books, translated into 18 languages. Thank you for being with us. What is Kabbalah?
Kabbalah is a science. It's not a religion. It has nothing to do with religion. It's a science that helps us understand how the world is built and how it's governed by the upper force of the entire creation.
Is it part of Jewish theology?
It's not a part. It's the basis of all Jewish theology. It's a science that comes to us from Abraham, who discovered it, and through all the generations it came to us. For thousands of years it's been hidden, and only recently, say in the last 200 years, it's being revealed.